The Shiba Inu pricing has held on to its gains as the market has finally stabilized. Critics are revising their forecasts. Big banks like BlackRock are acting decisively, and people are rejoicing. Just one more thing, though. The next day is going to be monumental. The US government and President Trump may intervene, changing Shiba Inu's trajectory and paving the way for huge improvements. Is this the signal that investors have been anticipating, or is something else happening? Allow me to elucidate. For SHIB, today has been an excellent day. As a major development, the price appears to have stabilized. The fact that it has remained stable following yesterday's price pump is significant, even though it isn't going through a major spike or drastic fluctuation. Following a tumultuous few days, investors are now getting a break thanks to this steadiness. Everyone was on edge due to the recent volatility. At one point, it appeared as though SHIB was making progress. Also, investors were worried about the subsequent steep drops. People had no idea what was going to happen next because the market was so unpredictable. Today, though, things are different. The market's recent volatility has given investors a chance to reevaluate their strategy as the threat of another abrupt decline has diminished. Because it shows that trust is coming back, this move is critical. The market sentiment is changing as there is less panic and more focus. Unpredictability is the norm in the crypto world, therefore anything can happen. Nonetheless, Shiba Inu owners have been waiting for this period of calm to arrive. Things become interesting, though. At this point, a number of important figures are resurfacing. The number of major holder net flows into Shiba Inu has increased sevenfold from its previous levels. Both experts and investors have taken notice of this. When this kind of rise occurs, it's usually a hint that whales are getting back into the market. Common indicator of accumulation is when large investors begin to increase their holdings, inferring a loss of trust in the asset. The last day's worth of blockchain data reveals a dramatic change. Previously, in a negative position, Shiba Inu's large holder net flows are now in the trillions. A major turn has taken place. Also, compared to even a day earlier, the volume of SHIB purchased by large players has skyrocketed, with trillions of tokens pouring in. The sum of these substantial deals has also increased to around $40 million. All things considered, whales are probably stockpiling Shiba Inu while prices are flat. This change in attitude is quite remarkable. Uncertainty had previously ruled the market. A sense of self-assurance has returned thanks to this type of endeavor. What follows is the major concern. Is the whales just testing the waters, or is this trend going to cause a big breakout? In order to foretell the next major movement, traders are closely monitoring resistance levels. There may be big things in store for SHIB if the accumulation keeps up. But what's causing Shiba Inu to behave this way right now? Looking at the larger picture specifically, Bitcoin will help us make sense of this. Importantly, Bitcoin's price has remained stable around the $90,000 mark. The entire crypto market is impacted by Bitcoin's level of stability. Confidence in Bitcoin's continued strength trickles down to other assets, especially Shiba Inu. Recall the previous few days, erratic price fluctuations, unpredictability, and anxious investors. The entire market, however, is breathing a sigh of relief now that Bitcoin has found stability. Because of this, Shiba Inu is not going through wild swings in value like other breeds. The return of whales to the market is an indication that they perceive a major development soon. The question is, for how much longer? Is this merely the quiet before the storm? Things are starting to heat up, what with Bitcoin stability, whales buying SHIB in droves, and rising market confidence. But the best part is that there's more news on the way. In the next 24 hours, a monumental event will transpire. The president's residence will take center stage tomorrow. A high-stakes symposium is about to take place, and former U.S. President Donald Trump, who has deep connections to the cryptocurrency sector, is expected to attend. We are not engaging in a routine conversation. This is transpiring just as the cryptocurrency market is experiencing explosive growth. The future of this sector is being shaped by the people who will be attending this summit. Crypto people have been on Trump's side for a long time. Crypto enthusiasts donated millions to his campaign, especially after the Biden administration cracked down on digital currency. Something greater is emerging as a result of that support now. Crypto is more than just a buzzword for Trump. He's getting his hands dirty with it. Along with launching his own digital asset and teaming up with a big exchange, he has also appointed prominent experts, such as David Sachs, a veteran of Silicon Valley, to head up crypto policy talks. Many in the cryptocurrency industry are hoping that the regulations set forward at the next summit would be very advantageous to their sector. Now we reach the part when Shiba Inu is useful. The potential impact on Shiba's pricing of more transparent laws and a more crypto-friendly atmosphere is already a topic of speculation among investors. There are many who think it could quadruple and others who think it could expand fivefold. Shiba Inu's value could skyrocket by a factor of 1,000 according to the most optimistic predictions. Is it insane? Possibly yes. On the other hand, sudden shifts in crypto occur frequently. This event is generating a lot of buzz. The market is showing signs of stabilization. Whales are acting, and an announcement that might change the game is coming out in the next few hours. A lot of people are making assumptions. Is this the spark that finally sets the Shiba Inu free? Then there's this even more stunning item. Major steps are being made by BlackRock, according to a famous expert. Subtly and without fanfare, their Bitcoin ETF just bought hundreds of Bitcoin, totaling roughly $40 million. This is a substantial financial commitment. It's a huge indication that large-scale funding is coming in. The market as a whole pays attention whenever BlackRock acts. The involvement of even Trump supporters is growing. Bitcoin and Ethereum, worth tens of millions of dollars, have reportedly been bought by World Liberty Financial, a company with ties to Trump's crypto policy. Rapid action allowed them to buy the assets, which they promptly incorporated into their primary holdings. This isn't an ad hoc approach to purchasing. Things are looking up, and it's a harbinger of great things to come. Is there any significance for Shiba Inu in this? A potential watershed moment for SHIB could be on the horizon if Trump's impending announcement is in line with crypto. The speculation that it will be included in policy debates has the potential to skyrocket its price. One of the biggest price spikes in SHIB history could occur if that occurs. A lot of people are guessing. Everyone thinks SHIB has a chance to double. Some estimate a five-fold rise. Those that are daringest are saying it might skyrocket in the next 24 hours. Seems quite drastic. Perhaps, but there are indications. A swarm of whales, the intervention of powerful institutions, and the possibility of imminent